Here I have Mitsubishi Outlander, and let me show you how to turn on or off front or rear parking sensors on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by knowing the basics. So if you would like to enable the parking sensors, you need to know that those settings are behind the steering wheel on the dashboard. So you have to know how to navigate there. You can scroll left and right by using those two arrows and confirm options by pressing OK. You can also use this OK button to scroll up and down. So basically everything happening in this part of the steering wheel. Now if we know the basics, we can go to our dashboard. All right, now let me go back here and let's use the right arrow to find here the settings. Tap OK to confirm it. And here let's use the second option, which is the driver assistance. Press OK to confirm it again. Scroll down and here you can find the parking sensors. So let me just tap it. And as you can see here, you can enable or disable front and rear camera. You can just press the OK button to confirm it and to enable or disable those parking sensors. So these individual toggle switches allow you to manage the ultrasonic sensors bumpers independently. You can keep the front active to protect your bumper from high curbs or garage pillars, while choosing to disable the rear sonar grid if you are towing a trailer, carrying the bicycle on a hitch rack, or parking in a position where the rear system would otherwise beep constantly. So it depends on your preferences. As you can see, here is the place to enable or disable those sensors. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.